What did Santa bring you?
It's a bridge.
It's the suspension bridge, Tommy. It's a solar suspension bridge.
Yeah. Let's try this one.
Okay, go ahead.
My goodness, that's a lot of Thomas things.
Oh, Santa brought me this solar thing. I didn't know what this thing is. I shouldn't see what it is. You didn't tell me what it is.
What is it?
It's the shed! Tommy shed!
It's the shed? It's the Tidmouth shed?
Yeah.
My gosh.
Wow.
The
And
Tidmouth shed?
And there was a Thomas game on there.
Okay, go ahead.
There's a game right there too.
Yep, open up your last one. What else did Santa bring you?
Santa really got you a lot of Thomas stuff. How did you know that?
What is it? I got shoes.
No, they're not shoes in there.
What are they?
Well, go look. Open up your box.
You put it out.
Okay.
What is this? What?
It's just a book, Tommy.
A Little Mermaid.
Tommy.
What's the going boy? James.
James.
What, Mama, how much can you? James. Let's go put it on my green stick.
There's more.
Mama.
Who's this one?
Oh, Thomas.
Honey, and then there's one more in here. Who's this?
Toby.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy, we are planes.
Wow.
There's just so many trains.
And Charlie.
Did you put Aquaphor on him?
Yeah. Merry Christmas. Charlie, Merry Christmas.
More trains.
Hey.
Hi, Merry
What
Christmas.
did you eat, Tom?
I can't. Oh, no.